our 36 by 28 equipment stand. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 36 inches and a depth of 28 inches. And the overall height stands at 25¼ inches with legs. Coming beneath, you get an extra carriage and storage, and the measurements for the shelf will include 29¼ inches in length by 20 inches in depth. Coming to your side will be an NSF certification sticker. And this equipment stand will work with any equipment such as griddles, boilers, burners, and everything else that we sell on our website. For all questions, give us a call. And for more information on this product, visit our website. Thank you.